Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best home gym equipment for beginners in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is BodyBoss Home Gym 2.0. The BodyBoss Home Gym 2.0 is a full portable gym that allows you to work out at home with a variety of equipment. It includes resistance bands, handles, a workout bar, and a door anchor, allowing you to perform a wide range of exercises. The resistance bands provide up to 150 pounds of resistance, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced fitness enthusiasts. The workout bar and handles can be used for exercises such as rows, presses, and deadlifts, while the door anchor can be used for exercises such as pull-ups and dips. The BodyBoss Home Gym 2.0 is also highly portable, so it can be easily stored and transported. With its compact and versatile design, it's the perfect solution for people who want to stay fit and healthy at home. It's easy to install and customize, with a variety of attachments to suit your fitness level and goals. With the BodyBoss Home Gym 2.0, you can have a complete gym experience in the comfort of your own home. Number 2. Our second best pick is TRX All-in-One Suspension Training System. The TRX All-in-One Suspension Training System is a versatile and portable workout solution that allows you to perform a variety of exercises using your own body weight. The system includes 2 adjustable straps with comfortable handles, an indoor-outdoor anchor, and a workout guide to help you get started. With the TRX system, you can perform exercises such as rows, squats, lunges, and more to target multiple muscle groups and improve your strength, balance, and flexibility. The straps can be adjusted to provide different levels of resistance, making it suitable for all fitness levels. The TRX All-in-One Suspension Training System is a great choice for those who want a full-body workout that can be done at home, while traveling, or outdoors. The system is lightweight and easy to set up, so you can take it with you wherever you go. The included indoor-outdoor anchors allow you to anchor the system to a door or tree for a safe and effective workout. With the TRX All-in-One Suspension Training System, you can achieve a full-body workout that is challenging, effective, and fun. Number 3. Our third best pick is Marcy 150 pounds Multifunctional Home Gym Station. The Marcy 150 pounds Multifunctional Home Gym Station is a comprehensive piece of equipment that offers a variety of exercises for total body training. This versatile machine includes a weight stack with 150 pounds of resistance, a dual-function press arm, a leg developer, a high pulley, and a low pulley. The press arm allows you to perform chest presses and pec flies, while the leg developer allows you to target your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. The high pulley can be used for exercises such as lat pull-downs and tricep press-downs, while the low pulley can be used for exercises such as rows and leg curls. This home gym station also features a comfortable seat and back pad for added support during your workout. The Marcy 150 pounds Multifunctional Home Gym Station is a great choice for those who want to achieve a full-body workout in the comfort of their own home. It is made of high-quality materials, built to last and easy to use. The compact design of the gym station makes it easy to fit in any room in your home. With this machine, you can work out all major muscle groups, build strength, and tone your body all in one place. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Total Gym Universal Total Body Training Home Gym. The Total Gym XLS is a versatile and comprehensive home gym workout machine that allows for total body training. This machine is designed for both men and women and includes a squat stand, leg pull, 2 ankle cuffs, and an exercise chart to guide your workouts. With the Total Gym XLS, you can perform exercises such as squats, rows, leg curls, and more to target multiple muscle groups and improve your strength, balance, and flexibility. The machine uses your own body weight as resistance, with the ability to adjust the incline level to increase or decrease the resistance. The Total Gym XLS is built to last, made of high-quality materials, and designed to support users up to 400 pounds. It's compact, easy to set up and store, and can be used in any room in your home. The included squat stand and leg pull add variety to your workout, while the ankle cuffs provide additional support and stability during exercises. With the Total Gym XLS, you can achieve a full-body workout that is challenging, effective, and fun, all in the comfort of your own home. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is BodySolid StrengthTech EXM 2500S Home Gym. The BodySolid StrengthTech EXM 2500S Home Gym is a comprehensive and durable piece of equipment that offers a variety of exercises for total body training. This machine is designed for users of all fitness levels and includes a 210 pounds weight stack, a high pulley, a low pulley, a leg press, a press arm, and a leg developer. The high pulley can be used for exercises such as lat pull-downs and tricep press-downs, while the low pulley can be used for exercises such as rows and leg curls. The press arm allows you to perform chest presses and pec flies, while the leg developer allows you to target your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. The leg press allows you to work on your legs with a resistance of up to 400 pounds. The machine is built with heavy-duty steel construction, designed to last and support users up to 400 pounds. It features a comfortable seat and back pad for added support during your workout. The BodySolid StrengthTech EXM 2500S Home Gym is a great choice for those who want to achieve a full-body workout in the comfort of their own home. It is easy to use and comes with a wide variety of exercises to target all major muscle groups. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.